Chart. A visual representation of data. He made a chart to display the results. The teacher used a chart for the lesson. Charts help in understanding complex information. She drew a chart on the whiteboard. We analyzed the sales chart.